living my best life. Yeah, yeah. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's, you know. I said, I'm living my best life. I said, I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons. You see the whip pulling up, it's like skirt. Dreams pulling up, I'm like skirt. I'm living my best life. It's my birthday, at least that's what I'm dressed like.
I'm like Big Pop mixed with Tupac. I'm like Machiavelli, Nita, Little Caesar pizza. I be hot and ready.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you how I blow dry my hair using the Revlon Blowout brush. I am obsessed with it. I use this anytime I wash my hair and I absolutely love how it looks. This is the brush I'm talking about. I'm sure you've seen it all over TikTok. That's how I came across with it. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I love how big it is because I do have thick hair, which allows me to do bigger sections at a time. So if you're curious how I blow out my hair, stay tuned. Okay, so my hair is wet. I just got out of the shower. So first thing I'm gonna do is part it down the middle. This is how I always style my hair and brush it once I get out of the shower. I'm just gonna part it down the middle. You want to make sure your hair is wet because you are blow drying it. My hair is super long to fit in the camera. There we go. Okay. And then I'm going to use my Marc Anthony leave-in conditioner. I've been using this for years. I honestly believe this has helped my hair grow a lot. And it does detangle your hair. So you can see I have knots. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it all over. And do the same on this side. Sorry I look like a mess. I literally have no makeup on. Now I'm just gonna take my detangler brush and brush it through. So my hair is brushed through, and the next thing I'm gonna do is put coconut oil. I always put coconut oil in my hair. This is the brand I have, and then it tells you like the things you can use it for. I found this at Walmart, so I'm just gonna take a little bit, or like that much, but I'm just gonna dissolve it in my hand and rub it through my hair, like so. Make sure you get the ends. Okay, now the last thing I'm gonna put in my hair is heat protectant. So this is Pantene. I like the way this smells. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that all over my hair. It smells so good. I'm gonna make sure I get my ends. And then I am gonna brush through my hair just one more time, just to make sure that's all over. Okay. Now I do this by section, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie this side away because we're not gonna mess with this side yet. And then I'm gonna take another hair tie. And we're gonna start from the bottom and work our way up. So I'm just gonna divide my hair. It doesn't have to be perfectly divided. I just do little sections. Alright, so that's good. And then I'm just gonna take this and tie it and get it away. And then I do use a hair clip. I got these at the Dollar Tree. You get like a pack of 4 for $1. And just cool. So this is the brush. As you can see, it's huge. I have a lot of thick hair, so this is perfect for me because I can do bigger sections at a time. There are different heat settings. Okay, so I am going to do the cool setting. I don't necessarily need it on high. Low, it's still pretty warm and I'm still able to blow dry my hair fast enough. And I believe this one's called the Revlon Blowout styling brush. My cousin got this for me for Christmas. I really wanted it. I saw it all over TikTok. I'm so happy he got it for me. So shout out to E-Man for getting me this. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and lower my camera since my hair is long, just so you can see more in depth of me doing this. And then this is loud, so I will not be talking during the process. Okay, so as you saw, I really don't feel like there's any wrong or right way of doing this. You saw how I was twirling my brush with my hair upward. I was going like this and then just curling it up like that and mainly focusing on the ends. That's just to give the little flip at the very end. I alternate between this way and then going up underneath. That's how I do every section. I like how it turns out. And yeah, there really is no right or wrong way, so I'm just going to continue doing that throughout my hair. I'll show you guys once I get to the very top, but yeah, that did not take long. My hair is dry now, and having thick hair and trying to blow dry your hair is honestly such a pain. I never do it, so I'm really happy with this brush because it definitely does not take a long time for your hair to dry and be styled as such. Section, which is the very top, and I do this part separately by itself because, as you can see, I have bangs that are currently in the awkward process of growing out. So I have a different way of how I blow dry these just so they don't look as odd. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing that. Going to do is I'm just gonna run my brush throughout my whole hair. You're gonna see me just grab random sections, flip them. Like I said, there is no right or wrong way of doing this, and I'm just making sure that everything's good. I don't have any damp pieces. So that's it. I'm done with one side of my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off camera because it's basically the same process. I'm not putting anything in my hair because I already put coconut oil. As you can see, my hair looks shiny. I really don't need to add any extra product to it. So I'll be right back once I finish the other side. Guys, okay, so I went ahead and did my makeup, but this is basically it. My hair is done. It is styled. Yeah, I absolutely love the Revlon brush. I definitely recommend. I use it actually a lot anytime I do wash my hair. If you're like me and you don't wash your hair every day, your hair lasts you all those days. Like, I kid you not. You could put your hair in a bun, whatever, a ponytail, and it still looks good, like you just did it, which I really like. So this does last a couple days. Also, I did want to mention, if you have a dry scalp, I have a really dry scalp, and I've talked about it in a different video where I've always dealt with like dandruff and having it visible. That blowout literally gets rid of everything. So I like don't have to worry about wearing a black shirt or anything, and I absolutely love it because it just gets it all out, and you kind of see it. Like I put like a towel and you can kind of see it once you blow dry your hair, but I absolutely love that it does that. But yeah, this is it. It has the little flip at the end. I'll show you guys the back. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. My goal this year is to at least post one video a month. So here's my first one for January. I am in the process of making a video for my lashes. If you follow me on Instagram, I started my own lash brand last year around April, and I don't know why I have not made a video or introduced my lashes to YouTube yet. I'm actually wearing one of my styles. This style is called G Money. These are my favorite lashes so far that I have created. I love them. I could wear them with any look. That's what it looks like. That's my logo right there. And then I've already worn these, so the box is a little messed up. But these are the style G Money. I named these after my dad, and today is his birthday actually, so I'm gonna go ahead and wear them. The lash on. But yeah, that video is coming soon, and if you do want to check out my lash page, I'll go ahead and put the link down below so you guys could check them out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!